All right, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Trading with Easy in the Oracle. It is Monday, August 3rd, 2026, and we are trading live. Right now, I'm currently in the trade, bouncing off of the 9 o'clock. We had some barcode action here. So I'm in the trade currently on the upward trend, just trying to see how this go play out. So y'all guys get to see that. Got in the trade about right here at 28,527 and trying to see if I can go up a little bit to maybe reach up in this area up here, maybe 28,600, around in that area. Good morning. Try to see if I can hit 28,600. Yeah, it may go past that. So yes, I'm currently in the trade. That's why we late. Currently in the trade. Try to see if I can catch this right before 9 o'clock. Because 9 o'clock is just usually is the reversal candle. So and are we at 9? 2 more minutes before 9 o'clock.
All right, so we have 4 bars here.
I know.
Let's see though. We just getting out of the orb. We gotta get a zone or something.
I'm gonna try to go break even on this one.
Equal highs there.
So I'm gonna trail this one.
Me too. That's the plan.
Yeah.
We try to get right there to the daily. Okay, we're approaching the zone right here.
Yeah. Right off of we had some struggles earlier, but we caught it on the right side. We caught it on the right side this time. My only concern at this play is right now we are reaching the 9 o'clock candle. So we on the struggle bus a little bit. We are way from the 20. This is the 200. This is the 20. And we are way from both. So I might
but
take.
the play did come off of it though. So
Yeah.
should we break up this? It look like we don't break that. Wow. Refreshing, huh?
Yeah.
Damn.
All right. Ready to take this off?
You gonna take it off?
Ooh, man.
I like how that did. Spike and got a wick already in position, huh? Yeah. That's that new
Yeah, it's news candle right here, I believe.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I don't want us to go down and go lower there. You wanna come back to the board to get a wick, huh?
Yeah, probably coming back down. Yeah, I might take this off the table. Unfortunately.
I think by this the new candle, a new hourly candle, Yeah, it don't look like we made a new low here, but I don't know. I was thinking it may want to go back and retest the orb. Well, we're getting a push back up now.
Yep.
Yeah, I guess it want to get a week from now.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. Well, like I said too, look, we got 5 green candles, so we gotta get a red one in there.
We gotta get a red one somewhere. Yeah.
And it's not engulfing that, so that's good.
If it engulf it, I'm gonna get out. Yeah, see that? It's the 9 o'clock. This is
retest to the orb at some point. Oh, that's the shit. It's got the 20 and the 9 over here on the hourly chart. It's holding.
Yeah.
Both of them are together.
You see what she does?
It's holding.
Yeah, she's coming down. So
it's coming down.
Yeah, look at that.
Looks like it's coming under the whatchamacallit. And the 9 is pointed up. This must be the orb retest.
Yeah.
And 9 pointed up.
Pointed up. Okay. All right, I'm out.
You out of it?
Yeah, I'm out of it. I'm out of it. All right. So let's take a look at this. I got out of it. And let's go down and look at this. Maybe too premature on it, huh? Are you still in it?
I just put my stop loss at break even right about a 9. So
yeah. We may have a continuation to go up. We came down and we...
And 9 coming over that.
See what it's all about. Yeah. Look like we got a...
Okay, there's 3 tests, huh? Back inside the orb.
Yep, so let's smoke out the orb.
The 20 or the
15-minute orb right here. Yeah, we going right inside the orb. This is going to be...
I don't have the fib set up to see.
So we right inside the orb.
Are we going to the 200? But look, the 220 is close.
So yeah.
So that's good. That's the move that I want. That's the move that I want to wait for.
Yeah, so it look like we might go up to the daily.
Yeah.
Look like we tapped the orb. This is the 15-minute chart right here.
Anybody on?
We look got about 4, well, okay. A couple of people on. Yeah, welcome. Good morning.
Good morning. Okay, so look, that 9 I got above the
Look like we're going back up. right close to the 200.
Okay, that's a tail there.
That's a tail, yeah. It's like she's going, possibly going back up. Let's see what she gonna do. Maybe go up to the 28,725 area. Right in that area. We just had a pull back. Now we're getting a little continuation. And look like she is on the struggle bus. That's what it looked like. She look like she's on the struggle. What you gonna do? Are you gonna continue to go up? Because we hit the bottom down here and look like we're going up.
The 9 EMA is holding up and the trend is riding, it looks like it.
So we had let's go to the 5 minutes. So we had an upward trend, right? We had consolidation, upward trend. Now we had a candle to come down. Now we just kind of hanging out at the orb right here. This is the 15-minute orb. And so what we doing is we hanging out at the 15-minute orb. Are we gonna come down?
Damn.
Look like we coming down from the orb.
Yeah. It's 220 is together down here.
Yep. So it looked like we pushing, maybe possibly pushing up. We got that.
It was coming down. So I thought it was gonna come down and hit it or something.
So we got the 200. We got the 200 and the 20 is sit right here. And now we going up.
You still in?
Yes, I'm still in the long.
You're long.
Yeah. I'm still in the long. I took. If it comes down and hit, I would get out of it, but I'm still in the long. I'm going long to the, look like I'm going to the 28,700s up here. 2700s, right in this area right there. So, right in that area up there. Let's see if we can go up here. Let's see what it does. Now we got the 20 just did a cross over the 200, which is a good thing.
I like that.
Yep. So we got the 20 cross over the 200. Yes, I'm in this play here.
Damn, I hope we just don't range right here.
I know.
15 minutes. Bro. need price to break.
Yeah.
Over the 600 level, 630 something area.
Let's see what it does. Let's look at the 1 hour. Ooh, the 1 hour got a nice tail.
It does, and it went in the orb to retest
And it went in the
it.
orb. So we got a nice tail. And right here at the 700s, the 28 700s is going to be, look like Asia highs. Because we already did went over. Well, we right at London highs right here. Well, no, this those London.
I think that's London.
Right there.
Something.
It's 2200, so this gonna be Asia. 23, 21. This is London up here.
It looks like we're trying to approach up there, but can we make higher highs?
So we got London up there.
We're approaching.
I like the way the 20 is curving up.
I do too. I hope it curve up outside of the orb.
Yeah. We had a gap which got filled pretty much through London. London filled the gap, and then we came down and we did some more work here. Right at about 8:30, we came down and we filled the gap some more. And so we just filled the gap and we're going straight up. So right now we're on an upward trend. I think target's going to be the daily. If you look at the daily candle, ooh, look at this daily candle. This daily candle is a doji.
It is. What is it? What color is it?
Green.
Green.
Yep. So target to be up in this area up here if we're going up. Look like we doing a little pull back here. Got a little pull back. Look, we got some consolidation going
we're still
on.
ranging.
Yep.
Still ranging, man. This is just fucking 9 o'clock does. I don't like the fact that it we haven't made a higher high.
Higher high, yep. So we doing that, and we're still in this 15-minute downward trend going. Look like we're going to the 20. There ain't no wick on the 2-minute candle.
Coming out of the
Yeah, the 20 coming down. I know. I mean, the 20 is going up.
Yeah.
So that is a good thing. Yep.
If for any reason this trade don't work out for me, that's it for me for
the day. Yeah.
Even though it's early.
Yeah, I get it.
But I can't risk.
Yeah, I can't risk it. Yep.
No. whole rest of the week to
Yep, it's only Monday,
do what
so
we need to do. So
only Monday. 15-minute candle look good to boost up. We got two targets here. We got London highs, we got Asia highs. We take a look at, and then we have the daily. So we got three targets up here. Then we have the weekly from last week. That's gonna be the weekly highs. Let's see, weekly. Yep, we got the weekly highs right here. So if we look at the overall picture here of the weekly candle, last week was more of a doji kind of candle. Then we start this week off looking really good to the upside. Look like we're doing a recovery.
yep.
So that's where we at right now. Looking nice and juicy to go up.
Look, that was a big range there. Let's see
Yep.
if we
Let's see if we
break
break
this
this, though.
break this. We have to make a new high here. If not, I'm not trusting it.
Yep.
If we're not. I do like that the 9 EMA is holding and the 20 is right at the top of the orb.
Mm-hmm.
And London lows, I'm sorry, Asia lows, I believe.
All right. Look at that. She looking sweet.
Equal highs.
Equal highs. We need to get this
I
to
hope
break.
it ain't making equal high to make a wick there and come down for the hour. There's just the processing.
Yep. And what I'm liking is the 1 hour. There's a wick to push up. So that looks good for a push up here to the highs.
Yeah, 1 hour look good.
And 1 hour look really good.
It's a big zone here. We gotta break it.
Yep. So the 1 hour look good. The 15-minute look good to keep going up, to push up. Okay. I'm still currently in a trade. So I'm currently still in a trade, as we can see here. I'm currently in a trade.
Okay, we got that 15-minute candle about to set.
Yep. Another 15-minute candle.
9:15?
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, it's not, almost 9:20 now.
Oh, 9:20? Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, it's after
Yep.
9:19.
Look at that, sweet.
Equal highs.
Yeah.
But that's gonna be the top of that's London up there.
Yeah.
Break that previous candle high.
Let's go.
Or not, because it was a little funny looking little candle there.
Yep. And we need to break that. That's where we stuck at right here. We stuck in this area right here. We just need to break that and continue to go up. Now we is getting close to 28,665, which is going to be up in these areas up here. All of a sudden, we just getting hardly no momentum right now. It's like
Yeah.
it's slowing down.
Slow down, huh?
It's slowing down all of a sudden. Let's go. And I like the way the 200, see, I like the way the 20, so we got the 20 is curved over the 200, which is a good thing. So what we doing is we following the 20. We a little expanded over the 20, but that's fine. So I'm right here. I'm gonna probably go break even on this. Right there. I'm going to break even. My stop is about 28,700 right in this area, so I don't have that far to go before I'm good. I'm out of this trade. Yep. Looking kind of sweet there. I'm gonna start trailing stops. So I'm gonna start trailing stops. If this keep going up, I'm gonna try to just start trailing stops at this point. But yep, so we looking good.
Okay, so we look like we hit a zone over here, huh?
Yeah, we hit the zone. Yep. We tap. That's gonna be London.
That's London?
That's London.
Okay.
So that's London. We gotta be careful of that. She may trickle down a little bit, but I mean, hell, she been freaking trickling down for a while now. So yep. Let's see if she could go over it.
Yeah.
Just stopping right there. See, no. That key level. It's a key level right there. Got it marked out.
We're going up those.
Yeah.
Gotta get over that little
Got to
pivot
get
there.
over that pivot. Yep. Yep. So we breaking it. Well, broken it a little bit.
Yeah, coming to get a wick and
Coming
all
to get
of
a wick.
that, Lord. I do like that price broke right above it.
Yeah, right above it. So we got two points of interest. We have this point of interest right here, which is London, and we got Asia. So we break London, then we got the hit. If we break London, if we break Asia, then we got the daily up here that we got to look at. That's gonna be the daily.
Daily. What you think 930 gonna do for us?
Yeah, 930 may be sweet. Okay,
Come on,
so now we breaking it.
push.
All right, now look like we going to, we don't have a wick, so she got to come down
So which
on the 5-minute chart.
Oh, okay.
So she don't have a wick.
Okay, so we was above that. We broke price above that. Are we gonna make equal highs up here?
Okay, so I'm almost at my target on my trade that I'm in right now.
I am too.
So I'm almost at my target. Almost there. She is. So my target is right here, and If she don't go up, then I'm already into trailing my stops. So I'm trailing my stops here to this big candle right here. So it's a winnable trade either way. So we are at the 24 minutes before the 9:30. So we haven't, I love the 20. I love that. I love the way that 20 is curving up like this. The RSI is overbought right now. Okay. So we're looking good here. Let's see, we almost there.
Pop it.
Pop it. Come on. We had to come down to get a 5-minute wick. That's why I thought we was going at. So
Did they get it?
Yeah, it did. So we are.
We 3 minutes to that new 9:30 candle.
Yep. She's coming down a little bit.
I just like how this 9 been holding though.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm sure I'm on my stop.
I got my stop just right
Stop
there.
right under the 9, slightly below the 9 in that zone.
Waiting on this candle to.
Maybe it needed to get
Yeah, it had to
strength
come get a little strength.
to push it over.
There we go.
I knew it was gonna go to that, but I'm kind of anxious to just take it off. I ain't gonna lie.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so tail off of that.
All right.
Okay, we got 2 more minutes.
2 more minutes. Yep. Now we looking at a zone. We looking at a critical situation, whereas we're a little far from the 20. Okay, so we're a little far from the 20. So that's what I'm looking at. So
High.
yep.
Let's see if we're making a new high here. Equal highs right now. We are
Almost there. Almost.
Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm about ready to take this off in a minute
Yeah, I am too. I'm ready to take my profit.
because the 9:30 candle might be aggressive. Let's go down and take.
I'm gonna just raise it up just in case it is, but
I'm gonna go tight stop right here. I'm going underneath that candle right there. I'm going tight stop, y'all.
okay, yeah, let's see
Yeah.
here. Let's see.
If I get tapped out, then it'd be a nice win for the day. Be done.
How far this baby need to come
Down, yeah. Well, we overbought. The RSI is high, so
You know what?
I'm gonna take that off.
I might take that off.
Yeah, I might take this off too. Let's see. Cause we high. Everything is high. Let's see. We're gonna take this off. Yeah, you know what? I took that off.
Yeah,
I took that off.
Yeah, I'm good with that. But
I'm
that's
good
it
with
for
that.
me,
I
though.
took
It's
that
no
off.
trades for me for the day.
Yep.
And let's see.
So yeah, I got in the trade. at 28,588. I got in the trade at 28,582. I added at 588, and I rolled that puppy all the way up here for a nice little profit. Now I did took a loss right here coming down. No, I took a win. Okay, so I took a win right here. So I had a couple of trades here. So I took a short here. I got out right here. Okay. Looked like I took a loan and I got out right there. It took a short coming down. So overall, we may be still going up to the daily, but I think that looking at this nice trade right here, I got the nice little upward trend. Yep, took that off because we are overbought here, and we coming a little distance off of the 20, so I took that off. Took that off. Take the win.
Yeah. That's it though, big for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm done with it. Okay, close it out. Make sure I'm done with it.
Well, good morning. Good morning. I did not take no trades on my top step, so it was a tricky morning. It still turned out to be a positive day. So I had a couple of losses, but I got it all back. So I'm starting the week out on a positive note again. I have one account that's down, but I got this account that I just got out of the trade with. That one is positive, so that's a good thing. It's only Monday, so we still got the rest of the week to trade. Rest of the week to trade. And she's going to the daily. Yep. Yeah, if I had decided to get out the trade because we are just we hanging out. I think we may get some type of drop, maybe down to the 20. But we get a little drop down to the 20. Let me see how that looks. So we had some crazy move this morning, right? We went down, right? And we tapped down here, then we went up, then we continued to go up, but we had some problems in this area right here. So we had a consolidation here that kind of ripped us up a little bit. And then once it broke this box, it went over to 200. Then she just ripped from there. But she did come back and re-tap the 200. She came back and re-tapped the 200. And then once she re-tapped the 200, she went up from there. So the only problems we had this morning was that we was down here below the 200. And I'm going to here. We was below the 200. So we was looking at shorts, right? And so but it closed the gap, and it started doing the upward trend, and this is where we at right now. Yep, so we on the upward trend right now.
Yeah, these are the ones. It's the long day? It's
Yeah.
the trading?
Oh, I'm not trading.
Okay.
I'm not trading. Yeah, it's There's no reason to trade this because we too high right now. The trade was down here off of the 200, okay, and then the 200, and the rest is history. Yep, and the rest is history. So I think at this point we're going to probably go hit the daily. So the daily high, because we tapping on the zone right now. Okay, so we are at Asia. We're at Asia highs right now, close to the daily. So I think we're gonna go ahead on it.
Struggling right there?
Yeah, still struggling right there.
Out of that.
Yeah, I'm out of that.
Took
yeah.
it off.
And so I think if you look at this, we go probably say, okay, it went over to Asia. We go tap this daily. And once we tap the daily, then we may consolidate. Boom, boom, boom. If you look at the daily candle, it's going to be a critical zone right here, because we may hit this daily candle right here and then go sideways for the rest of the day. We have to break the daily and the weekly. It's going to be tough to break the daily and the weekly. So if today we break the daily and the weekly, then we'll be back on the upward trend. Let's go to take a look at this. And I got my Fibonacci on the higher time frame, because this is really interesting to take a look at. So way back in March, we started the upward trend, okay? And then from all the way till June, we topped out in June, and then we started coming down, consolidating. We came down right here into the 23.6 area. Then we went back up to all-time highs, okay? And then we couldn't break all-time highs, so we double topped up in this area. And then what we did was we consolidated for a week, and then we came down, tapped the 23.6 again, and we went back up. We couldn't break it again, almost a triple top. So we consolidated again, came back to the 23.6, and then boom, we started trending down. From the 23.6 all the way to the 50 of the Fibonacci. Okay, so this is correction territory between the 50 and the 61.8. And what happened once she hit the 50, she went straight up. And once she went straight up off of the 50% Fibonacci, she went back to the 38.2. This is where we was Friday. And then today, we gapped up, but we came and closed the gap. We went back to the 38.2, and then now we going back up. Now, since we went to the 50% Fibonacci, are we on the upward trend on the daily chart? It looks like that's what we doing. We may be on the upward trend on the daily chart. So the next resistance, if we break the daily and the weekly, okay, then the 23.6 gonna be a critical zone right here for the next couple of days. Maybe Wednesday or so, Thursday, we may hit this area. This is gonna be a critical zone because we have 1 day, we got 3 days right here that tapped this zone and didn't break. So this gonna probably be the next zone for higher time frame people that's trading. So if we break this area, it look like we will break it today, then 23.6 is going to be the next target on the higher time frame. And if we break the 23.6, I'm not sure that we're going to do this just this week. We may take maybe another week or two to get back up here to all-time highs, but that may be the case because we do have another critical zone at the 23.6, and then if we pass that, we'll be on route to go back to all-time highs. But it's pretty interesting to see how the Fibonacci work, because it is very, very interesting to see how we hit the 50% Fibonacci perfect, and we went up. Now, one of the things that I pointed out last week, and one of the things that we still have to remember, this July 30 candle still doesn't have a wick. And that is something that we definitely gonna have to keep our eye on, because if we don't break these areas right here, then we may have a change of structure and come down all the way down to the 61.8 to gain that wick. That's gonna be very important right there. So that looks like something I'm gonna keep my eye on for the next couple of days. If we don't come down here and get this wick taken care of, then eventually, I think before we get to all-time highs, we gonna come back down and retest this area. What does it mean if it doesn't have a wick? So what happens is, if you look at your chart, daily chart, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 2-minute chart, you have a open candle and a closed candle, right? And most likely 99% of most candles will have a opening wick and a closing wick. If you look at your chart, see you got an opening opening wick and a closing wick. So which means is you had a buyer or seller try to sell all the way down, then the buyers came back up and bought this market back up. So if you look at how all of these candles have some form of wick at the bottom and the top. Right there, go back. I don't know what that was. If you look at that, you see how all these candles have wicks. Now, what happened is, if a candle doesn't have a wick, let's say this candle right here, look like this candle way back in June 26, doesn't have a wick. This is a daily candle. What happened? Eventually, if we go to the side up here, this candle almost did it. It had to be retraced. This candle right here, which is July 7th, came in and it gave us this wick down here. See that? Boom, right there. Because that puppy didn't have a wick. So eventually, it's got to come and retrace this to take care of this candle right here. And the July 7th candle looked like it did. Boom, that took care of that wick. Even if you go to the side right here, we got another daily candle with no wick. What happened 2 days later? We got this candle came in and retraced that whole candle and got a wick. Now, so anytime you see a daily candle with no wick, it just put it in your mind that eventually the market is going to come down and retrace that candle. If you see this is a daily candle right here. The market came down. It took 2 days to come down to fill that gap. It's a gap right here. Boom, boom. And what happened? This candle right here came and filled that gap. And if you keep going to the side, you'll see a couple of daily candles every now and then with no wicks. Right here, we got another daily candle back in May 25th with no wick. What happened? 3 days later? Nope, right here. See that? That daily candle on May 25th didn't have a wick. It took about a week, a week and a half, but it came back and it filled that gap. And so that got filled. And it, again, if you go throughout the chart, back testing it, and you do see daily candles with no wicks. And so what you'll do is you'll say, okay, eventually that gap go get filled, and bam, there you go right there. That gap got filled. That's May 6th. It took almost a month to fill that gap. So June 9th. So it don't have to do it immediately, but anytime you need you got a daily candle with no wick, the market is going to come back and retrace that to get its wick. And if you notice it again, that took a whole month for that to come back down. So I say that to say this, that since this candle doesn't have a wick, and if you, like I explained earlier, how these candles didn't have a wick, yes, it took about a month for this candle to come back down to retrace this. And it may just take a month for this to come back down, but eventually this candle will get retraced. Matter of fact, we have 2 candles with no wicks right there. We got a April 24th candle and a April 22nd candle with no wick. So we got an April 22nd candle, no wick, April 24th candle with no wick. I remember this when this market was going up every day. We started seeing a whole bunch of daily candles with no wicks. We got 2 candles right here with no wick. Then we had another candle with no wick. But now you're starting to see the market coming back down to retrace these gaps, to fill these gaps. And we came back down. So now, since we kind of divvying up with the April 24th candle and the July 30th candle, both of these candles don't have a wick. This one got filled. So this candle got filled right there. If you notice, this candle doesn't have a wick, but it got filled right there. Now this candle doesn't have a wick. That means somehow, some way, again, it may take a month, but the market is going to, let's see if I could do this. Boom. It's going to go maybe up. Let's get rid of that. I thought I had that. Let's get rid of that. Let's go. Let me give me a pointer here. Nope. Pitchfork. Let's see if I could get a. Okay, let's see if I can get one of these pointers here. Path. There we go. All right, so I'm thinking this market is going to do here, come back down, maybe retest this, hit the 23.6, may reject, may come back down here, come back test, come back here, go back here, come back here. And this is what I'm thinking, because eventually it's got to come back down. If this resists, if not, then we're going to have a, where is that? Let me go to put that marker. Put that right there. Okay. Or we just going to go up, hit this, maybe come back, test, come back, and hit all-time highs. And we may do that. So it may do 2 things here. It may just go up, hit the 23.6, right? And reject. and come down, fill the gap, or hit 23.6 and continue to the upside. That's what I'm thinking. But, and it eventually, if the market hit this top up here and it doesn't break this area up here at 31,100, then we go come down. And if we come down, it may be a hard fall too. If we come up here and we don't break the 31,100s, then we gonna get a hard fall. This go come. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. You know. And if that's the case, then we'll fill a gap. But we got a nice little, let's get here. Got a nice little power bar that just came in. Let's go to look at this. All right, so we broke the daily and the weekly, okay? As we get close to the top of the hour. So there it is. What this telling me is that, yeah, we finally broke out. Took 30 minutes, but we finally broke out. So it's telling me that we got 3 candles going up. It's telling me that either the 10 o'clock candle or the 11 o'clock candle going to be a retracement candle. If you look at the 4-hour chart, 4-hour chart look a mess. We consolidated all night pretty much. Yeah, 4-hour chart looks really rough. If you was trading off the 4-hour chart, you just broke a key level for the upside.
One more time, huh, baby?
Yep.
Just still letting you out, huh?
Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, I'm not trading. I'm just talking. The questions coming in, that's all. But that's it for us today. We gonna come back tomorrow and we go get ready and trade tomorrow and go from there and have us some fun. Hopefully you guys will come and join us on the live trade tomorrow and go from there. I really appreciate everybody that came through. Looked like a second. I can't see that. This thing. I don't like how this thing got a little. They can't even read that. Oh, look like a second leg up. Yes. Yeah, we all getting a second leg up right now. So the only critical zone is we so far from the 20. And since we so far from the 20, we so far from the 200, we're going to get some type of retracement, I think. We may go up a little more. We ain't that far from the 200, right? So we may get a little bit up, maybe a retracement down to the 9. The 9 is holding, so. But we gonna get on out of here. Thank y'all guys very much, and we gonna see you tomorrow.